completed yesterday.
Sir, Rutherford atomic model, it was completed.
Observations completed, I think. Postulates not
Yes,
completed
sir.
yet.
Postulates not yet over, sir.
Students, please write down postulates of Rutherford's atomic model. So, how he postulated his atomic model? He postulated his atomic model based on alpha ray scattering experiment. Isn't it?
Yes,
Alpha
sir.
ray scattering experiment. So, yesterday we discussed about alpha ray scattering experiment. So, now we will discuss based on that alpha ray scattering experiment. He observed few important things. Based on that important things, he postulated his atomic model. What are the postulates? Now we will discuss. Write down first postulate. The most of the space, the most of the space, the most of the space present in the atom is empty. The most of the space present in the atom is empty. Next, second postulate. Second postulate. The positive charge and most of the atom, so most of the mass of the atom, the positive charge and the most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in extremely small region. I repeat, the positive charge and the most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in extremely small region. Is concentrated in extremely small region called nucleus. Called nucleus. Next, the nucleus is surrounded by electrons. The nucleus is surrounded by electrons. Please stop. These electrons moves around the nucleus. These electrons moves around the nucleus. These electrons moves around the nucleus with high speeds. In circular path. With high speeds in circular path. These circular paths are called orbits. These circular paths are called orbits. Next, electrons and the nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction. Electrons and the nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction. Okay. So these are the important postulates. No? Can anyone know what are the drawbacks of Rutherford's atomic model? Drawbacks. So please write down drawbacks. First drawback. It is against to law of electrodynamics. It is against to law of electrodynamics. Okay. So what is electrodynamics? Do you have any idea? So is in your unit, is in your physics circular motion completed?
No, sir, not yet.
Laws of motions
Yes, sir. Loss of
Going on, sir.
going on. Okay. What type of laws you know in laws of motion?
Sir, Newton's 3 laws we know.
Newton's 3 laws you know only. Okay, na? See here, electrodynamics means. So what is the main postulate of Rutherford atomic model according to Rutherford atomic model? So if you imagine this is the nucleus. So this is the structure of atom. So these are orbits. So in these orbits, electron revolve around the nucleus. Okay, na? With a high velocity. Electrons revolve around the nucleus with a high velocity in orbits. Continuously, it is revolve around the nucleus in orbits. Okay, na? According to law of electrodynamics, if any charged particle, okay, na? If any charged particle continuously accelerates, nothing but moving like electron continuously accelerates, after some time it loses its energy. After some time it loses its energy and fall into the nucleus, and atoms should be collapsed. According to law of electrodynamics, if electron continuously revolves around the nucleus, after some time it should loses its energy and it falls into the nucleus. Then atoms should be collapsed. But these atoms are collapsing. The atoms are stable.
Most-
Atoms are not collapsing. So that's why, according to law of electrodynamics, this Rutherford law is against to it. So that's why that is the first field. It is against to law of electrodynamics. What is law of electrodynamics? If electron continuously revolve around the nucleus in a circular path, it loses its energy and fall into the nucleus. And atoms should be collapsed, but atoms are not collapsing, so that's why it is against to law of electrodynamics. Clear, students? So
Clear, sir.
like say for example, this is electron. So this is in proton. So like this, if electron revolves, it should be collapsed here, but atoms are not collapsing. So that's why it is against the law of electrodynamics. Next, write down second point. According to this, means according to electrodynamics, according to this, the revolving electron should lose its energy continuously. According to this, the revolving electron should lose its energy continuously and travel in spiral path like this, and travel in spiral path. Finally, it must fall into the nucleus. Finally, it must fall into the nucleus, but it does not happen. But it does not happen. But it does not happen. Okay. Next, last point. It does not explain. It does not explain electronic structure of the atom. Does not explain electronic structure of the atom. Does not explain electronic structure of the atom. So these are the failures of Rutherford's atomic model. Okay. So up to this few theories, that is a few atomic models completed. Few atomic models means Rutherford atomic model, Thomson's atomic model is completed. Okay. Few more atomic models we have. What are the Bohr's atomic model? Okay. Later we will discuss about the Bohr's atomic model. Next, write down on side heading atomic number. Side heading atomic number. So to discuss Rutherford Bohr's atomic model, we have to good command over. Now we will discuss some topics. Na? On these topics, we have to good command. Okay, atomic number. So these are simple topics, you know very well. So many times we discussed this type of questions in our objective as well as subjective examination, but in periodic table as well as in basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, students. Side heading 1, atomic number. Z number. Atomic number Z. What is atomic number? Any idea? Who discovered atomic numbers? Already in periodic table you need to be discussed.
Henry Moseley.
Very good. Who discovered this atomic number? Henry Moseley. How he identified atomic number of any elements? By using one formula. He used one formula. What is that formula?
Root nu is equals
Root nu is equal to A into Z minus B.
Very good. A into Z minus B. Root nu is equal to A into Z minus B. So that is the formula he used now.
Sir, X-ray something you said, na sir? What is it?
By bombarding different metals with X-rays,
Okay.
A and B are constants. Okay, na? Root nu versus Z will get straight line from the origin. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, na? This is the formula he used to calculate the atomic number. Okay. Next, what is atomic number? Please write down. So to calculate atomic number, mass number, electrons, protons related questions, again it is important. It is mandatory to remember 20 elements: atomic numbers, mass numbers, electronic configurations. Clear, students? So without atomic numbers, mass numbers, and electronic configurations, you cannot understand easily this. So you can understand, but if you know very well these atomic numbers and mass numbers, you can calculate easily. Okay? You can calculate easily. Clear? Please write down atomic number Z. Definition. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. Is called atomic number. This is definition now. Next point. Atomic number is equal to number of electrons present in the atom. Atomic number is equal to number of electrons present in the atom. Okay. Please remember this formula. Z is equal to P is equal to E. Z means what? Atomic number. If you want atomic number, we have to remember protons. Protons means number of positive charges. You get protons. So how many protons are there? That many electrons are also present in atom, not in ion. So what is the difference between atom and ion? Atoms means neutral particles. That means they won't contain any charge. Say for example, here n minus, n plus. We have different types of atoms. N minus, n plus. Here which is atom?
N is atom.
Very good. What about n plus and n minus?
They're ions.
Very good. They
Yeah.
are like that we can remember, students. Clear. So here, which are neutral? Atoms or ions? Atoms,
Atoms are neutral.
Atoms are neutral.
Why? In atoms, number of protons are equal
Which is
to
equal to number of electrons.
Number of
so that's
electrons.
why atoms are electrically neutral. Why atoms are neutral? Because number of protons equal to number of electrons.
Yep.
So that's why atoms are neutral. But ions are not neutral. Ions are charged particles. Why? Ions are charged particles. Protons, electrons not equal.
Not equal, yes, sir.
So that's why they are not neutral. So only atoms are neutral. So Z is equal to P is equal to E is the formula to identify protons or electrons or atomic number. Clear, students?
Clear, sir.
Next. Suppose if you take atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of sodium is 11. How many protons?
11 protons.
11.
Atomic number ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ protons. 11 protons. How many electrons?
11.
11.
11 electrons, 11 protons. Okay, na? Separately we have to write. So completed atomic number. And we will discuss a few questions also. Next side heading mass number. Mass number. Okay. What is mass number?
Weight of an atom is known as mass number.
Okay, Ariel, how to calculate that one? That is I am asking. Please write down. No? The total number of protons and neutrons. The total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. I repeat, the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. An atom of an element is called mass number. A is equal to P plus N. What is the protons? N neutrons.
Neutrons.
Okay, na? The formula A is equal to P plus N. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z formula. Okay, na? Number of neutrons formula A minus Z. That is mass number minus number of protons. P andre Z tane, okay na? That's why N is equal to A minus Z. This is the formula. Next one. How to represent the atom? So please remember, X is an atom. X is an atom. Its atomic number is 4, mass number is 10. How to write this 4 and 10, students?
Sir, 4 is subscript, 10 is superscript.
Very good, very good. So always we have to write atomic number in superscript part, subscript part. Subscript part means down. So here 4 I wrote that this 4 is equal to atomic number. So here or here we can write left side or right side. If you write like this, then it indicates mass number. This is equal to A value and it is equal to Z value. Okay. So this is the representation of atom. Representation of atom identification is important for the students. Clear?
Clear.
So, mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Neutrons formula A minus Z. Okay. This is the representation of atom. Clear? Next month, another important point. For cations, this is we have to remember. Number of protons is equal to Z. Number of protons is equal to Z. Andre change ಏನೀರಲ್ಲ. Cation or anion, whatever it is, there is no change in number of protons. Okay na? Number of electrons na Z minus number of electrons lost. Number of electrons lost. Z minus number of electrons lost. Suppose if you take Mg2 plus, so magnesium atomic number ಏನಲ್ಲ
12.
12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ protons 12, electrons, so here electrons are not 12. Why? Electrons are
Plus
not
2 charges, sir.
Plus 2 charge.
ion. So protons electrons same ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? It is a positive charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ cation. So Z minus Z ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 ತಾನೆ. So 12 minus 2.
10.
So just we have to write here number of electrons lost. Don't need to write charge. Just number of electrons lost or number of electrons gained. This is for cations now. Number of protons is equal to Z. Number of electrons is equal to Z minus number of electrons lost. Next, for anions. Number of protons is equal to Z. For anions, number of protons is equal to Z. Number of electrons is equal to Z plus number of electrons gained.
Gain.
Number of electrons is equal to number of Z plus number of electrons gained. This one. So please write down this information. Say after completion,
Complete.
completed. Okay, next side heading: isotopes, isobars, and isotones. Isotopes, isobars, and isotopes. Please listen. Any idea about isotopes in your lower class?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the elements which have same atomic number but different mass numbers.
Same atom, different atom.
Same atom, sir.
That's important. Okay, na? Atoms of same elements having same atomic number but differ in their mass number are called isotopes. What are isotopes? Atoms of same elements having same atomic number but differ in their mass number are called isotopes. Okay, na? What are the examples for isotopes? Please remember, hydrogen isotopes are the best examples. Hydrogen has three isotopes. One is normal hydrogen, second one is heavy hydrogen, that is called deuterium. Third one is radioactive isotope of hydrogen, that is called tritium. Hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. So these three are the important isotopes of hydrogen. Important isotopes of hydrogen. What is the common factor in these isotopes? Same atomic number, mass number is different. So such type of elements are called isotopes. Okay, please write down atoms of same elements. The atoms of same elements which have same atomic number. The atoms of same element which have same atomic number but a different mass number. Are called isotopes. Okay, na? See, examples: hydrogen isotopes. Here, which is atomic number? This number or this number? Upper number or lower number?
Lower ones.
So lower numbers all are same only now. So that's why these are isotopes. Upper number no need to consider. However it is, that is the secondary. So here lower numbers are same. Means atomic number is the same. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen. So sometimes we will write HDT. HDT andre H andre normal hydrogen, D means deuterium, T means tritium. So that is also same. Sorry. Like this. So these are also we can write HDT. So second one, chlorine isotopes. Cl1735, Cl1737. Okay. What do you know still about isotopes? Still any idea about isotopes? Please remember. Isotopes have same chemical properties. Why? Why? Because protons are same. No? It also has one proton. It also has one proton. It also has one proton. No? Electrons are also same. No? So properties, chemical properties are depends on number of electrons, not depends on protons and not depends on neutrons. So here these all are neutral atoms only. Neutral atoms means protons are equal to electrons. So that's why electrons are same in all cases. So there is no change in chemical properties. All isotopes have similar chemical properties, but physical properties are different. Why physical properties are different, students? Why physical properties of isotopes are different? Because mass number is the change in the so
Yes, sir.
physical properties it depends on mass number. So that's why physical properties are different, but chemical properties are same for isotopes. Okay? Isotopes have similar chemical properties. But different physical properties. Completed, ma?
Yes, sir.
How to calculate average atomic mass for isotopes? Already this we discussed in unit 1. Suppose I have 30%, 20%, 50%. One. How to calculate average atomic mass? Percentage of abundance into atomic number plus percentage of abundance into atomic number plus percentage of abundance into atomic number divided by 100. 1 into 30 plus 1 into 20 plus 1 into 50.
Into 50 by 100.
Okay, na? We will get
1.
1 we will get like that. Clear, students? So average atomic mass we can calculate like that. Okay, na? So X abundance is 30%, another X abundance is 20%, another X abundance is 50%. We can calculate like this. Okay, na? Suppose one question I will read. No need to write. Chlorine contains 75% this isotope. 75%, 35 isotope. Next 25%, 37 isotope. What is the atomic mass? What is the atomic mass? 75% 35, 25% 37. What is the average atomic? What is the average atomic mass? 75 into 35 plus 25 into 37 divided by 100. You will get the average atomic mass. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You know, already in your material this type of questions have. Please try yourself. Next, isobars. What are isobars? Opposite to isotopes. Means isobars atomic number is different, but
Mass number is same.
same. Down number is different, upper number is the same. So in isotopes, down number is the same, upper number is different. Here opposite. Please write down definition. The atoms of different elements is important, not same elements, different elements. The atoms of different elements which have same mass number but a different atomic number. The atoms of different elements which have same mass number but a different atomic number are called isobars. Okay, na? Examples. C6 14 and N7 14.
Argon and calcium.
These are the few examples.
Sir, carbon mass is 12, no, sir? How 14 here?
Carbon also have isotopes. C12, C13, C14. Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Nitrogen also have isotopes. Almost majority of the elements have isotopes. Oxygen also has isotopes. O15, O16. But we will take why 16 is major means abundance of 16 is more. Here taking of chlorine, we are taking chlorine nearer 35.5 or 36, 35.5. Why?
35.
Chlorine 35, 75% abundance.
Yes.
So that's why we are taking 35.5. If you take hydrogen, why we are taking hydrogen 1? It has 2, 3 also. Na? Abundance of first hydrogen is greater when compared with deuterium and tritium. So that's why we are taking like this. Is your doubt clear, Impana?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Next, write down. No? Isobars shows different chemical properties due to the presence of different number of electrons. But shows similar physical properties. Different chemical properties, but shows similar physical properties.
So can you please repeat the point?
Isobars, different physical properties, but chemical properties is same. Sorry. Chemical properties are different, physical properties are same. Opposite to isotopes. In isotopes, what I told, chemical properties are same, physical properties are different. Here, chemical properties are different, physical properties are same. Okay, na? Next, isotones. Side heading. The atoms of different elements. The atoms of different elements with a different atomic number and mass number. I repeat, the atoms of different elements with a different mass number and atomic number. Two different mass number, atomic number, but having same number of neutrons. Neutrons are same, but having same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons are called isotopes. Isotopes different physical, different chemical properties. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ C614, N715. Now, how many neutrons it has? 14 minus 6. A minus Z na formula
8.
8. Idama 15 minus 7.
15 minus 7, 8.
8. So neutrons same idea.
Yes, sir. Same.
Atomic numbers different idea.
Yes, sir.
Numbers are different na? So these are called isotopes. Isotopes chemical properties, physical properties different. Okay na?
Okay.
So these are the isotopes. Next, I think you know isoelectronic species. Already we discussed it. Isoelectronic species means what? The molecule or ions which have same number of
Electrons.
Already we discussed, no need to write. Okay na? Atoms are molecules are ions which have same number of electrons. Already you wrote in periodic table in it, isn't it? So
Yes.
here no need to write. Already it is there. Next month. Isoesters, you know.
No, sir.
Isoesters means molecules with same atomicity and same number of electrons. Same atomicity and same number of electrons means, say for example, CO2 and N2O. Here total number of atoms how many? 3 na? Here 3. 2
Three.
nitrogens, 1 oxygen. Electrons ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 6 plus 8 plus 8. ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ? 6 plus 8 plus 8. 22 na?
22.
22.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 7 plus 7 plus 8.
22
22,
only, sir.
22. ಅಂದ್ರೆ isoesters means same atomicity, same number of electrons. Molecules which have same atomicity and same number of electrons is called isoesters.
Ester.
Are called isoesters. So if you want to write otherwise isosters, not esters, isosters. C6H6, B3N3H6. C6H6, how many atoms now?
12.
12.
B3N3H6,
12.
okay na? Like that. Electrons are also should be same. They are called isosters. Okay na? Next, isotopes, isoforms, isoforms. Isoelectronic series you already completed. Write down one simple question. No? Calculate number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Question, please write down. Calculate Number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in BR 3580. This is a question. So this is a what value? The Z value na A value na?
35 is Z, 80 is A.
అది ఇంపార్టెంట్, అది ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇది జెడ్, ఇది ఏ. ఓకేనా? ఇది ఆటమా అయానా? ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఆటమ్ ఆర్ అయాన్?
Atom, sir.
హౌ కెన్ యూ సే?
No charges present.
That is blind identification. Blind I know అదే. No charge na, so that's why it is a atom. Protons equal to atomic number na?
Yes.
Andre Z. So what is the Z value?
35.
35.
So protons are 35. Students remaining, Charan, are you understanding? Charan, Lydia, no
Yes.
response. Remaining students, please respond, ma.
Understood, sir.
Oh, okay. Shruti Ras, Shivani, Srinidhi, Vinay Gangadhar, no response today. Vinay Gangadhar.
Understood, sir.
Oh, okay, thank you. Neha, Abdul Rashid. Okay, na? So protons 35, ma. Electrons also 35.
35 is.
It is a atom. So in atom, how many protons are there? How many? That many number of electrons are also there. Next, neutrons. A minus Z. A value 80 minus Z value 35.
45, sir.
40?
45, sir.
45. Okay, this is the answer. Please write down. So please, in the next class, we will discuss many number of examples related to this concept. Okay, students. Up to that, you do one thing. So in your material, you please try to complete level 1 and level 2 questions up to atomic models. Sorry, up to atomic number concept, atomic number isobars concept. Will you try?
Yes, sir.
Please try, and any difficulty questions are there, you please round up with pencil. So whenever we will start that again objective class, in that time you can question me. You know?
Okay, sir.
You can ask the doubts. Actually, that is the good thing. Otherwise, every time by taking one question and explanation, it's not good for even for simple topics also. Clear? So most of the questions you will get answers. Almost 95% questions. 1 or 2 we will discuss in the class. Okay, no? Thank you. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.